DaVinci Resolve is powerful, but it can be frustrating. Playback stutters, clips go offline, and renders just fail. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the 3 biggest problems in Resolve, step by step, so you can get back to editing. Problem 1, playback lag. Even with a good computer, Resolve can struggle. The fix, optimize media plus render cache. Right click your clips, hit generate optimized media, and Resolve does the rest. Go to playback and hit enable render cache. You want to choose the smart option. Now just give it a second to get ready, and the blue line means Resolve pre-rendered the heavy effects in the background and your timeline plays smoothly. Still struggling? Click this here to bypass fusion and color grades. You can turn both on or off, or right click and pick one or the other. Second issue, the dreaded media offline error. Usually it's just missing file paths. To fix, right click your clips, relink selected clips. Point to the correct folder. You can also hit the red chain link icon at the top of the media pool to do everything at once. Pro tip, keep all your files in a single media folder before importing. It avoids 90% of relink issues. Organize the first time and don't move your files around. It will save you headaches in the long run. But what if your media won't import at all? Check the name. Resolve doesn't like special characters at all. Change it to something simple and the file will come right in. And thanks to Windows 11, there's a bug with MP4s. You might have to find a program like Shutter Encoder or Handbrake and re-encode your file so you can get the audio in Resolve. Third pain point, render errors. Instead of forcing a specific bitrate, set your bitrate to auto. You don't need a custom bitrate. Trust me, Resolve knows better than both of us. If you're still having problems, render the timeline in sections to find the bad clip or effect. You might need to redo a fusion effect or delete a clip and add it back. Sometimes weird things just happen in Resolve. So there you go, the biggest 3 Resolve problems solved. If this video helped, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which issue you want me to cover next. And by the way, if you want cleaner audio for your edits, I've linked my favorite place to get music and sound effects in the description below. It's an affiliate link, so if you grab something and use code SAVE70, it'll help support the channel at no extra cost to you, and you get 70% off a year's subscription at audio.com. Also, don't forget about Easy Effects and everything else I linked in the description down below. It's there to help you edit. See you in the next one.